guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be fishing cheap versus expensive baits. Make sure to check out my sister's channel and let's get out on the water. Alright, so first we're going to start with the Googan bait to fish it. Whoa! Something just jumped from the sea. Oh my goodness. That's something big. Holy smokes. Something. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It's a giant! It's a giant. It's a giant. Oh my gosh. It's a giant! Oh yeah, baby! Let's go! Let's go! That is a tank! Oh my god. Holy smokes. This guy destroyed it. Oh my gosh. Dude, that was like my 5th cast. And this guy just swallowed it. Oh my gosh. Absolute tank. We are going to get a measurement for sure on this guy. Holy smokes. He's giant. Oh my gosh. I missed him the first time. This guy might be my PB. I'm not joking. My PB right now is 17 inches. This guy's like 15 and a half. Oh my gosh. Absolute beast, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go now. Right over here. He's ready. Oh. Oh, dead bites. Ready? Oops, oh yeah. It's a smaller guy, I think. Yep, a smaller guy. Stay out there. Oh my gosh, let's go, baby. Smaller guy, but definitely destroyed that bait. Definitely wanted that. Holy smokes. Nice little guy. Peace. Oh, we're getting bites. Oh, something big. Oh my god! That was a giant. Holy crap. That was like, oh my gosh. That was giant. I don't know if I got that on camera, but that was it. Oh, I'm not talking just like a 2 or 3 pounder. Alright guys, so the 1 hour of fishing is over. Just in time because it is raining right now. So the Googan bait, let me show you. Googan bait. It caught 2 fish, one being a 15-incher and the other one being a 7-incher. So I'll be here maybe tomorrow whenever I can and try to get the Yum Dinger some action. And we're fishing with the cheap bait, Yum Dinger.
That's where I lost that big fish yesterday. Or whenever I fished, I forgot. Honestly. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my goodness, he's fully dragged. Oh my gosh. Kira! Oh gosh. He's a nice one. Oh yeah.
absolute stud, baby. Nice guy right there. Solid. I'm gonna get a measurement on him because I've been catching big bass here lately. Dude, the big worm. Oh my gosh. I need to get a measurement on this guy. 0, 15 and a half. I don't know if you guys can see that. But he got 15 and a half. Alright, so we're going to let him go now. Switch to my phone because it's a little bit better video quality. Okay, buddy. I guess you're ready. Holy smokes. That was an aggressive fish. My goodness. He was pulling drag and everything. Hopefully I got that good on camera because that was a good fight. I think I'm getting bites. Oh yeah, I am. I think I'm on. I think it's a nice one. He hasn't jumped yet. Don't jump. Oh yeah, he's a nice one. He swallowed the hook. Oh god. Any prize for this one? So, as you guys just saw there, I had a good fish on. And apparently, as soon as my bait hit the water, it was on. He was on. And I didn't realize it. I set the hook too late. And the hook got into his throat. This really sucks. I tried my best to get it out of him, but I couldn't do anything. Oh my gosh, there's multiple bass right there. Oh yeah, nice bass, bro. I saw 2 bass right there. They're like fighting for it. 4th bass, bro. Oh my goodness. 4th bass of the day. Oh my gosh. See you, buddy. Oh, and there he goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, he came off, bro. Oh, he's fighting it again. I think. Yeah. Whatever it is. Come on. Get out there. Oh yeah. Big one of the day. Oh my goodness. Let's go, baby. Just like that, bro. Oh my gosh. I literally just casted right there. Same spot that I caught the previous fish. Nice fish, bro. Oh my gosh, this. Really, you had to bite my finger as you were moving.
I got something with you. What? Do I? Oh, yeah, I do. Oh my gosh. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, this fish. Oh my goodness, this guy's out there. There we go. Nice fish. Don't you boys have to be crazy, huh? This guy just swiped at it, but nice fish.
So guys, that was definitely a successful fishing trip. I mean, only fishermen know what this means. Yeah. Anyways, so in total, the Yum Dinger caught 6 fish, while the Googan bait caught 2 fish. The Googan baits, I mean, they're not bad. Some pros, it's a 9, you get 9 of them. And then also they have a lot of scent, which is really good for finding bass. Also, one of the cons is they're not durable whatsoever. I mean, you'll throw a couple casts and then it'll start to get, it'll start ripping. The Yum Dinger pros, they're durable, and they're pretty big, honestly. I tried to look for a smaller one, but there was no smaller ones. Some cons were there was no scent, really. Honestly, there was no scent. The bass liked the Yum Dinger. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!